So you want to pull the cover off the top, and then there's 3 screws on this side that you're going to unscrew, and this just simply lifts up. I've already taken the old one out, but one thing to be careful about is the old one, it's sort of glued in. I don't think I'm gonna worry about gluing this one in. But I used, use a knife or like a flathead screwdriver to just sort of get in there and pry the other one up. I think if you just try and lift it off, I was just trying to pull it off, I think it'll probably pull this bottom circuit board out of there, and you don't want that to happen. And then this is the replacement I bought, about 15 bucks off Amazon. Should just snap right in and you'll be ready to go.